Okay, so here's the latest update. It is Friday at noon and 4 days post gallbladder surgery. So I talked to our 811, which in Canada is just like your provincial healthcare. You can get in contact with the nurse and ask them questions to see what the urgency is and whether you need to go in to be seen. So I talked to a nurse, two nurses actually, and both of them recommended that I go in and be seen by urgent care or emerge, just to make sure that nothing funny was happening after my surgery, because we know that my body does not work properly. So yesterday at about 5 p.m., I went to the emerge. Online, when I looked at the wait times, it said about 3 to 4 hours. It ended up being about 8 hours before I actually saw a doctor. It was horrible. And the nurses did their best to just keep all of the patients calm while they were waiting for the emerge doctors and surgery team. But oh my God, it was horrible. So they did x-rays just to make sure that there wasn't a leak and that air wasn't leaking out of my bowels into my circulatory system. So that was clear, which is awesome. The good news, bad news in this situation was that they basically told me that number one, I have oral thrush, so I'm on a statin medication to manage that, and that number two, I'm still dealing with a minor form of elias, which is an elias is when you've had surgery on your abdominal for any organ, and your organs just go oh, like I don't want to work, I don't want to be here, leave me alone, please. And so basically my bowels have just gotten scared and are in fight flight mode, but flight just doesn't want to work, pretending to be dead, pretending not to exist. It is really painful, but with a few strategies I've been able to have a bowel movement and get things moving. So hopefully with a liquid diet and just a lot of rest, castor oil packs, enemas, abdominal massaging, and just letting my bowels heal, hopefully I won't have to go back into emerge, and hopefully I won't have any more complications or issues. Anyways, that's the latest update. I feel like garbage. I am making some soup and then I am going back to bed.